when Devon and Amanda first said that they were going to put together a retreat, I was really excited. And you think mountain time and relaxing, and all of that has honestly been super great to get away and relax. But I didn't also realize how necessary it is. We've grown so much. There's new rules, there's new team members, and to be able to collaborate and really understand what everybody does and can bring to the table has been really effective. So not only do I think this retreat is great, I think it was very necessary for our team to be effective.
I think we'll have an opportunity, because we get to know each other over this week, that we'll have a better chance of knowing where our strengths lie. And I think some of those things can only happen when you are in person and you get to know each other, doing fun things, doing work things, talking through the bad stuff, talking through the good stuff. The way we work is very remote and it's very two-dimensional at times, so adding some three-dimension to it, I think, is what this retreat is bringing to us. And the added fun that Amanda and Devon are throwing in some games and some team-building events, I think, is really helpful.
Being able to come together is a major point of how teams work together. So by getting to know each other, by being able to talk to each other and collaborate and be able to see our strengths and our weaknesses and how we fit together is really important. Being able to be in person and not just remote adds an element of humanness behind what we do.